DGS drama department has fallen into production of its winter show, Failure, a Love Story. Failure, a Love Story takes place in 1920 Chicago and follows the three Fail sisters. The Fail sisters all fall in love with the same man but pass away within a year of meeting him. Director Tiffany Rubin, an English teacher here at South, comments on why she chose Failure, a Love Story.
Well, I was looking for a show that allowed for many kids to play multiple roles. I always look for creative shows where we can be imaginative with both the set and the props and the character work. And I felt like Failure, a Love Story allowed us to do that. And it also kind of toes the line between comedy and drama.
Failure, a Love Story started production on October 23rd. Senior Bint Harris describes how the rehearsals are going so far for the cast.
It's just a great time. It's a bit hard in the beginning and a bit hard at the end, but I know in the end it's going to be all really worth it once the performances actually happen. But I think it's good. It's not too much work. I'm able to balance everything pretty well right now. So I think right now the practices are going great.
The winter play will have its show on December 7th through the 9th. World tickets will be $10 for adults, $5 for senior citizens, and free for students who have their IDs. In Downers Grove with the Blueprint News Network, I'm William Elliott. There we go.